Hello and welcome back to St Modwen Homes' YouTube channel. Today we're going to be taking a tour of the 3-bedroom Kia show home, which is perfect for first-time buyers as well as families. So come and take a look inside. So as you head through the front door, you come into this spacious hallway, and to one side you can find the kitchen diner and to the other you'll find the living room. So we'll take a look in there first. The living room in the Kia home is a really generous size, and as you can see we've got 2 windows over here and 1 over here, which means a lot of natural light enters the room. It's also a really good shape, which means you can design it and lay it out exactly how you want. The way we've designed this room is with a really neutral base, so we've got some beiges and blues and then other pops of colour around the room which really bring it to life. And we've also complemented that with some prints and some textured vases as well. Moving to the other side of the hallway, we come into the kitchen dining room. Now this has been designed in really bold colours which also complement the interior design of the other room. And in this kitchen in particular, we have got a 6-burner hob, a double oven and integrated appliances including a fridge freezer and a dishwasher. When it comes to the finishing touches in the kitchen, like the countertops and cupboard doors, you can choose from a range of products from our options and upgrades brochure and choose exactly what style you want. So if you wanted a different colour countertop or different coloured kitchen doors, the choice is completely up to you. As we head over to the other side of the kitchen, we've got the dining area. We've set this up with a round table, which I absolutely love, and I feel like it complements the space really well. And then just to the side of this, we've got the French patio doors, which lead straight into the garden. Moving over to the other side of the dining room, we've got a really handy laundry cupboard, which means you can pop away your washing machine in here and keep it separate to the rest of the kitchen. And then just to the side of that, we've got an additional storage cupboard, which means you can put your belongings away like your Hoover and keep them away from the rest of the house. And as you head back into the hallway, right before you go upstairs, you will find the downstairs WC, which is always a useful feature to have, especially if you're spending time on the ground floor. So let's now go and take a look upstairs. So as you head onto the landing, the first room you're greeted by is the main bedroom. The way we've designed this room is with a similar colour palette to downstairs, so it really ties in the rest of the house. Also in this room you'll find a double built-in wardrobe, which makes best use of space and means you can pop away all your clothes and keep your room neat and tidy. And then finally, tucked away around this corner, we've got the ensuite, which makes getting ready in the morning really easy, and it means you don't have to share the main bathroom with anyone else. Like you can in the kitchen, you can also personalise this room, so you can choose whatever tiles you want and really make the space your own. As you head over to the other side of the landing, you come into the second bedroom, which is also a double. This room also has double built-in wardrobes, and there's also enough space over here for maybe a dressing area or even a desk. As you head out of the second bedroom, right next to it is the third and final bedroom. Now this room is a really good size, and it also feels really bright and airy thanks to the 2 sets of windows. It's also a really flexible space, which means you can set it up exactly how you want. So whether you wanted a nursery or maybe even an office if you work from home, the choice is totally up to you. And then the last room on this floor is the main bathroom, which can be used by the rest of the family or guests when you have them over. This room is also similar to the ensuite and the kitchen, and you can design it exactly how you want by choosing which tiles or maybe even radiators from our options and upgrades brochure. You've also got an additional storage cupboard on this floor, which is really handy if you want to pop away anything like bed sheets or any other bits and bobs that you just want to keep separate. So thanks for taking a look around our 3-bed Kia show home. To find out any more information about this house type or any of our other homes, please click the link in the description below.